Tired of ads following you from your phone to your laptop to your tablet? Today I'm showing you exactly how to set up Total Adblock on all of your devices so you can enjoy an ad-free, faster, and more private internet anywhere you go. No matter if you're using Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, install the software on your device by going to get.totaladblock.com. On your Windows or Mac computer, this will automatically take you to the relevant extension store listing to install the extension. On your iPhone or Android smartphone or tablet, this will open the relevant App Store listing to download the app. Open Total Adblock and sign in with your account. You'll use the same login on every device, so keep your credentials handy. You'll then be asked to enable permissions so you can block ads inside apps and browsers. The great thing about Total Adblock is that your account works across all your devices in your plan. So whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, your ad blocking preferences stay consistent. And that's it. Total Adblock is running on every device you own. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, follow, and check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your account.